Now you have your project added in Shotcut and you want to mute just one part of the clip. How do you do that? We want just to mute a part of the clip. So if I select this part and cut it and try to mute this, we have here a volume button, a mute button. However, there is a problem. If I try to mute from here, it will mute all the track. Now you will realize that the whole of the track has no sound. As you can see, there is no sound. Now what I wanted was only to mute this. So how do we only mute this part? First, let's unmute the whole track. There are two ways we can mute this part of the clip. One is to add another a video track, is to add another video track here. Add a video track and put it in its own track line. We put it in its own timeline. We have now two timelines. We can have now two tracks. So from here, I can over 1.1. I can now be able to mute this by simply selecting, highlighting it, and then press mute. However, the problem with this is it will mute all the
very big file
video tracks that are on this playlist. That is the disadvantage of that. If I add any other track here, maybe say this, I have this and I add it here, as you can see, it has also been muted. So everything that will be in this track, it will be muted. Every video track that will be on this track, it will be muted. So
browser.
We have not achieved that functionality. So the best way to do it, let me go back, let me undo. So for us to be able to mute only this part of the track, we simply highlight it. As you can see, we have highlighted it. And then after highlighting it, we go to filters. Go to filters and then press on this add button. And from here, and press on mute. The video track will be muted at this part. So let's test.
That is a very big file. I can't size.
So as you can see, only this portion has been muted and our track is okay. You can mute as many parts as you can. Share each and every part you want to mute. You can simply do so. You can simply mute by repeating the same process.